All right, you guys know I'm always about inexpensive dash cams. I am a dash cam believer. And more recently, some of my kids have become dash cam believers. So today we're going to be installing the Viofo A119 mini dash cam. Most important thing about this dash cam is the Sony Starvis sensor. I cannot stress to you how good the video quality is when they use the Sony sensors. We're also going to put in the panic button and a polarizing shield, and we have the hardwire kit, but I don't know if we're going to put that in today or not. But we're going to go ahead and install this, and James is going to unbox and do the install just to show you guys how simple this really is. So there's the little sleeve, and then here's the box. Let's see what we got for the dash cam. And there it is. And that is what's something, I'm looking for something here I can hold up. Let me see this real quick. To give you a sense of the size of that thing. And I'll actually roll a photograph in of this alongside a full-size unit. This is their mini. So yeah, pull that little cover off the lens. Okay. But before we put that up on the windshield, let's see what else is in the box. So pull this little sleeve thing out. Right. Anything else in there? We got an owner's manual, user's manual with instructions on how to handle everything. Read before install. Okay. We've got static shields. I can get them out of there. Here, see if you can get them. I'm working with one hand here, so there we go. And then in the bottom here, bottom of the box, we have installation tool for working around trim pieces, spare sticky tape, a power plug for the cigarette lighter if you want to do it that way, and a USB plug. All right, throw all that back in there, and we're going to go ahead and install the camera. Now, when you're looking at a spot to place the camera, you want to look for some place that's got a clear view, clear field of view. Yeah, you've got to leave there's a plug on top for the power, so we've got to leave a space.
Is it a straight plug or is it?
I think it's angled. Let me look at something real quick. Oh, I got it. Yeah, okay, so plug that in and then you'll know how much room to leave up top there. And it doesn't have to go in the center if you want. If you can put it like up here if you wanted to do that. Yeah, you'll have to work around the mirror. And you can put it on this side. You have to take your little taggy thing down, but you can put it on this side if you want. We may need to turn it on to see what the field of view on the camera looks like. Make sure that this cover here doesn't block the lens. Plug it in real quick. Have you got a USB down here? So James just got, this is a new Ford Ranger that James just got. So it's got to find all the familiar spots in here. Okay, good. This is like a live install video. I've never done one this way before. Okay, so let's power it up. Oh, the plugs aren't. Okay, and it's showing it's got power. Let's see if it comes on or if I need to turn it on. There it goes.
Recording started.
All right, so we can put it up here and see what the field of view is on the lens. Okay, here you're gonna have to do it because I'm gonna run the camera. So you can see, to move the mirror up. There we go. And if you put it there, does that black cover block the lens, or can it see? It looks good to me. Go up a little higher. I would go all the way up to the black because
Yeah, I can't see it now.
Okay, hold on. Let me record. There we go. Okay, I'm looking at it. It gets just a little bit of the black end, but it's not bad. You still got the full field of view. It looks like. Yeah, you don't quite. Can you see it?
No.
You don't quite get the.
Memory card error. Please format the card.
Okay, let's go ahead and format the card. Yes.
Memory card format successful. Recording started.
Move it a little to the left. Just a little to the left. Maybe not quite that much, but
We're stuck.
it's all right. Okay. Up a little. Up a little more. I think right there you're going to end up with a little of this cover in, but
That's fine.
yeah, I don't think that's gonna be a big deal. You still get the full field of view. You just got one little spot there on the side where it blocks it. So let's clean the windshield there, and we'll go ahead and install it there. See if I can get that to focus. All right, so what we're gonna do now is put the circular polarized filter on. As you can see, it's hard to see on that little screen, but there's glare from the dash. So what we're gonna do now is cut the power, and we'll pop that thing off. Hold on, he's killing the power. All right, and the way that you take this off is just push it to one side. I see that. There, like that. Okay. And the CPL is really easy. It just snaps on. Try not to put your fingerprints on the lens. Pull this plastic off. There's still plastic on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I see it's on both sides. Try reversing it. Or is that it? Is it going one way, or is it multi-directional? Ah, one way, okay. Alright, and then we'll put it back up there and get socket it. Okay. And it just, there's little hooks here. Let's see, I don't know if you can see it or not. There's little hooks here and power connections. So you just catch the hooks and slide it sideways, okay, kick it on until it snaps. There's the little red light for power, and it should come on, and let's see what see if we can see on this small screen. See how much less.
Recording started.
See how much less glare there is from the dash. So that's what it is. All right, and we'll get some footage to roll in on this from James.